About this item: new upgrade radar detector power cord. This radar detector power cord quick charger with QC 3.0 dual USB interface and can be used as two USB port car chargers. With one radar detector power cord, 6.5 feet DC 3.5 interface, high quality, good design, advanced technology, premium materials. The soft blue LED light indicator will help you to locate the car adapter easily, and it also will provide convenience for you to pull and plug USB power cables in dim light. High safety standards. Radar detector power cord built-in safeguards protect your devices against excessive current, overheating, and overcharging. 6.5 feet anti-shield copper cable. Present two extra fuses to ensure longer usage time. Compatibility: radar detector power cord for Cobra Rad 350, 380, 450, 480, XRS 9370, XRS 955, XRS 5300, XRS 7700, Uniden DFR1, DFR3, DFR5, Whistler, etc. With DC 3.5 jack radar detector worry-free sales service. You will get 1x radar detector power cord, 2x backup fuses, 1 to 2 data lines, Apple and Android. Each of our radar detector power cord has undergone stringent quality testing. Cover any radar detector power cord hardware issues. Contact